Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon, evening, and night. My name is Firiska Alparen and I'm from 9.6 attendance number 11. In today's video, I'll talk about the math lesson of similarity and congruency. So, what is the difference between similar and congruent? While all congruent shapes are also similar, all similar shapes are not congruent. Shapes are both congruent and similar when they have the same shape and the same size. One could be placed right over the other, known as being superimposed, and they would be identical, same angle, same side, length, and shape. Shapes are similar if they have matching corresponding angles and their corresponding lengths are proportional. They can, however, be different sizes. Figures are considered to be both congruent and similar if they are both the same size and the same shape, regardless of orientation. They may be rotated or flipped, but as long as the size, shape, and angles are all maintained, the objects are considered both congruent and similar. In geometry, objects and shapes are often described using the terms similar and congruent when comparing them to the other objects and shapes. When something is described as similar to another object or shapes, it, it means that the two objects are the same shape and have proportional corresponding angles, corresponding sides. It shows that the two shapes appear to be like each other but not exactly the same. For example, triangles whose corresponding sides and angles are proportional will be considered similar. If they look like they are the same shape, just different sizes, they are said to be similar. When they are also congruent, they are not only the same shape but also the same size. The length of each of the sides and the angles between them are the same as the respective sides and angles of the other shape. Congruent shapes are always similar, but similar shapes are not always congruent. Knowing whether or not shapes are similar and or the congruent allows the student to draw different conclusions. If the shapes are congruent, it is already known that the angles and lengths will all be the same. If the shapes are only similar, the student can determine the length of an unknown side using proportions. Recognizing these terms helps students know how to find the length of missing sides over the course of the unknown angle. In summary, congruent shapes are those that have the same shape and the same size. Similar shapes have the same angles and proportional sides but are different sizes. So that's enough for this video. See you next video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.